Are you contemplating a kitchen remodel and in search of unique yet practical ideas? Today we'll explore the versatile world of open shelving. These solutions offer a chance to showcase your finest dishes while maintaining a clutter-free kitchen. However, they do require regular cleaning. Let's delve into 9 open shelving kitchen ideas for your consideration. Open shelving can truly revolutionize your kitchen space, whether you're going for a modern, rustic, or classic look. First up, we have modular cabinetry with open shelving. This style combines the best of both worlds, offering traditional cabinets for storage and open spaces to display your favorite dishes or decorative items. Then there's single-level shelving, a minimalist's dream. A single long shelf gives you ample room to display items, while freeing up your wall space for a clean, uncluttered look. For those who love a vibrant and lived-in kitchen, maximalism is the way to go. Pile those open shelves high with a variety of items and let your personality shine through. Next is matching shelving and lighting fixtures. This approach creates a cohesive design by coordinating your shelving materials or colors with other elements in your kitchen. If you're after a warm, cozy vibe, consider rustic wood shelves. These farmhouse-style floating shelves can really enhance your overall design. An open pantry in the kitchen can provide accessible and stylish storage. It's practical, yet adds a touch of charm to your space. Open cabinets, where you remove the doors to expose the interiors, can make your kitchen feel more spacious and inviting. Floating shelves with decor can maximize your space, offering short lines of shelves filled with decorative items that add a dash of creativity. Lastly, multi-tiered aesthetic utilizes multi-tiered floating shelves to maximize vertical space and provide ample storage. These ideas can be the perfect solution to your remodeling needs, offering both style and practicality. Intrigued by these open shelving ideas? A professional remodeling service like Fairmont Kitchen Center can help bring them to life. They offer everything from custom woodworking to innovative remodeling. Don't hesitate to reach out to Fairmont Kitchen Center for a quote and make your dream kitchen a reality.